Cockroaches are undoubtedly the most despised pests on the face of the earth. Not only are they carriers of diseases but are also indicative of an unhygiene environment. And let's not get into the fact that they can fly too, the horror. Households are easy targets for these pesky creatures, and they mostly infest the kitchen or anywhere they think they can thrive. It's no wonder people always search for home remedies. For cockroaches, they multiply at an alarming rate, and it is important to control them while you can. While professional pest control is a great way, we have some natural Indian remedies as well as prevention tips that you can start with. These methods involve things that are usually available at home. Watch on to find out how you can get rid of them now. Use baking soda to kill cockroaches. Baking soda is one of the most multifunctional products ever created. So it's no surprise that it has the ability to get rid of cockroaches as well. The best method is if you mix the soda with some sugar. First, the smell of sugar will bring out the cockroaches, tempting them to eat from the mixture without noticing the baking soda. After that, when they go to drink some water, a reaction with the soda will cause their stomach to burst. Cockroaches often feed on their dead comrades, so a chain reaction of that will follow. Here is how to proceed. Mix equal parts of sugar and baking soda in a lid or a dish. Place another dish or a lid close to the first one and fill it with water. Refill the containers with more bed and water when the dead roaches start to appear. Place a couple more dishes around the places where roaches usually gather. Repeat until you're cockroach free. Neem. Neem has been used as a tasty natural remedy for a lot of things, including pests over the year. Neem oil or powder contains potent components that can kill cockroaches. To use it in oil form, mix a small amount of neem oil with water in a spray bottle and spray it in places where you have spotted these pests. However, if you are using neem powder, all you need to do is sprinkle it in cockroach-infested areas at night and repeat the process in the morning. Peppermint oil. Essential oils are easy to find nowadays, and who knew these are useful in so many ways. Peppermint oil is one of the most effective essential oils for keeping cockroaches at bay. Make a mixture of salt water and peppermint oil and spray it on the infested areas at home. You will notice a difference after continuous application.